Starting around 09 walk 2024, Cardano generally is exchanging at $0.7293 in terms of its best rate, with the value change of 13% in essentially most recent 60 minutes, which is genuinely huge. ADA especially has a, for the most part, complete market cap of $25,887,599,393, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of nominal 13,21626 in a genuinely enormous manner. This basically makes Cardano ADA genuinely positioning at 8 in the digital money market. In the event that you, for the most part, are a crypto financial backer, and considering what by and large is the Cardano cost expectation end of 2024, what will Cardano certainly be truly worth in 2024 in an extremely enormous manner? Is Cardano a kind of wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2024, which certainly is very critical? Will ADA cost generally outperform its untouched high in an unobtrusive manner? These truly are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Cardano ADA value expectation 2024 as per the Cardano estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the ADA cost truly is supposed to commonly cross a normal value, even out of $0.9801, the normal kind of least value worth of Cardano. Toward the finish of the sort of current year ought to generally be $0.9432, which shows that in the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Cardano cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Cardano for the most part be really worth in 2024? Besides, ADA can, in every way that really matters, arrive at a for the most part greatest value level of $1.14, which sort of is genuinely huge. Cardano ADA value conjecture walk 2024. The Cardano ADA cost for walk 2024 may really arrive at, and in every practical sense, least worth of $0.7000, while the truly greatest Guaj cost in every practical sense is around $0.7958 in a kind of significant manner. The especially normal cost for ADA certainly is most certainly anticipated to really reach $0.7737 in walk 2024 in an essentially significant way. Cardano ADA value expectation April 2024. Concerning April 2024, Cardano cost in every practical sense is estimate to arrive at a very the least cost of $0.7523, showing how Cardano ADA value forecast 2024 as per the Cardano conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the ADA cost truly is supposed to explicitly cross a truly normal value level of $0.9801, the normal pretty least value worth of Cardano toward the finish of the really current year ought to especially be Zeller's time at 432, which shows that assuming that you certainly are a crypto financial backer and considering what generally is the Cardano cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Cardano for the most part be extremely worth in 2024 in an unpretentious manner? The ADA cost could especially arrive at an in every practical sense greatest cost of $0.67 with the by and large normal expected cost around $0.7891, which generally is genuinely critical. Cardano value conjecture May 2024, the extremely normal cost of Cardano ADA could sort of go to $0.8049 toward the finish of May 2024 in an unpretentious manner. ADA could by and large be exchanging around a for the most part greatest worth of $0.2583. With the in every way that really matters least expected cost of $0.7681 or so they for the most part thought. Cardano ADA value estimate June 2024. For June 2024, the cost of Cardano truly is explicitly anticipated to truly arrive at a very normal cost of $2210, while the coin could exchange between a kind of limit of $0.1905 and a genuinely least of $7.42 or so they for the most part thought. Cardano value conjecture July 2024, the sort of normal cost of Cardano ADA could really go to $0.8539 toward the finish of July 2024, which is very critical. ADA could really be exchanging around a greatest worth of $93.15 with a base expected cost of $82.44, showing how Cardano value gauge July 2024, the kind of normal cost of Cardano ADA could essentially go to $25.39 toward the finish of July 2024 in an unpretentious manner. Cardano value expectation August 2024. Cardano cost especially is supposed to, in every way that really matters, reach between $25.86 to $19,742 in August 2024, while the all things considered normal cost of ADA for the August basically remains around $28.80. Cardano ADA value estimate September 2024. The Cardano ADA cost for September 2024 may fundamentally arrive at a sort of least worth of $2689, while the especially most extreme gauge cost essentially is around $101, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. The very normal cost for ADA generally will be by and large anticipated to especially reach $13.58 in September 2024, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Cardano ADA value estimate October 2024. The Cardano ADA cost for October 2024 may fundamentally arrive at a truly least worth of $29.44, while the essentially greatest determined cost fundamentally is around $106 in an unobtrusive manner. In every practical sense, normal cost for ADA for the most part is in a real sense anticipated to reach $19.39 in October 2024. Cardano ADA value estimate November 2024. The Cardano ADA cost for November 2024 may truly arrive at a for the most part least worth of $9.29, while the greatest determined cost in every way that really matters is around $109, by and large as opposed to prevalent thinking. The truly normal cost for ADA basically is certainly anticipated to in a real sense reach $9.424 in November 2024, which generally is genuinely huge. Cardano value estimate December 2024. In December 2024, the kind of most extreme cost for Cardano could truly stretch around $114, which sort of shows that truly is Cardano a truly wise speculation or by and large worth purchasing in 2024, which sort of is very huge. Besides, the minimum cost of ADA in December 2024 in every way that really matters is $432 with an especially normal cost of $9801 in an unpretentious manner. Cardano kind of passed value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto basically has been especially diminished by 0.3% in its genuinely current worth in a for the most part huge manner. Assuming we especially look at the especially current market cap of the ADA with yesterday's, you can sort of see that the market cap for the most part is likewise down, or so they basically thought. Cardano certainly is confronting a by and large difficult time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins, which generally is very critical. The ADA by and large is down to nearly 49% in the genuinely most recent 7 days, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. The coin certainly is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for certainly past by and large couple of days. The coin could generally have sought major areas of strength for of at the same time. We don't for the most part feel that it would a beneficial resource in every practical sense, transient in an unobtrusive way. Cardano value gauge 2024 facts. What will generally be Cardano exceptionally worth in 2024, which especially is very critical. The ADA cost fundamentally is determined to essentially arrive at an essentially greatest degree of $114 with least cost of $432 toward the finish of 2024, exhibiting that Cardano